So one of the big activities for the National Cancer Research Institute is running a series of groups called Clinical Studies Groups. Now these are 18 groups that comprise of cancer research specialists from all across the UK and from across different disciplines. Now these groups might focus on a particular cancer type, or they might focus on a particular area of research. So for example, we have some cancer site specific groups such as breast, lung, prostate, etc. and others that have themes that cut across the whole of the research spectrum. So for example, psychosocial oncology or primary care. Now we bring these groups together to look at the portfolio of studies that exists across the UK. So that's all the different research projects that are currently happening, see where the gaps are, and then develop new studies to fit those gaps. So what that means in practice is that if, say, we feel, or the community or our partners feel, there's not enough research in a certain area, we can help to develop studies so that we can recruit people affected by the disease into those studies. So the clinical studies groups serve several important functions in shaping the UK's cancer research portfolio. So that is the range and the breadth of research projects currently recruiting cancer patients to try new experimental drugs, treatments, or ways of being supported. Just to give you an idea of how impactful and how integral the clinical studies groups are to the UK cancer research scene, about 7 in 10 cancer patients currently on a trial are on a trial that was either developed by or refined by a National Cancer Research Institute clinical studies group.